Welcome to our channel. If your Bluetooth mouse is lagging or stuttering, follow these step-by-step instructions to update drivers and improve mouse performance. Step 1. Open Device Manager by pressing Windows key plus X and selecting Device Manager from the menu. This utility shows all hardware devices on your computer. Step 2. Expand the Bluetooth section and locate your Bluetooth adapter. Right-click on it and select Update Driver to check for newer versions. Step 3. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will search online for the latest driver and install it if available. Step 4. Expand the Mice and Other Pointing Devices section and find your Bluetooth mouse. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Step 5. Again, select Search automatically for updated driver software. Allow Windows to find and install the latest mouse driver. Step 6. Check your mouse battery level. Low battery power can cause lagging and connection issues. Replace the batteries or recharge your mouse if needed. Step 7. Remove interference from other wireless devices. Keep your Bluetooth mouse away from Wi-Fi routers, cordless phones, and other electronics that operate on the 2.4 GHz frequency. Step 8. If the issue persists, unpair and repair your mouse. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices. Click on your mouse, select Remove Device, then pair it again from scratch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.